Redwood. No, that's Thunder. Like I said, I mean, you can drive as much as you want, but I mean, even that right there is 40 minutes worth of driving in bad weather.
Yeah.
It's one of the. It's kind of like a 24. I mean, it's going to be the best case scenario.
Okay, where we at? I got 2. But yeah, we are still looking at mainly north of I-70 for some higher snowfall totals with areas south of I-70. Looking at a wider range, and you can kind of see that air below freezing. A lot of that freezing drizzle can sometimes pose a little bit more and quicker hazard than sometimes freezing rain. So
You need to get out if they end up in a ditch. What we have always done in the past is...
A blizzard warning tonight, tomorrow, from 3 a.m. tonight until midnight tomorrow. You have to go all the way back to 2018 and 2019, the last time we had any sort of blizzard warnings in this part of the nation. All right, the Kansas Department of Transportation has closed every state highway in northeast Kansas for right now. I-70 is closed from Missouri all the way to Ellsworth. Some snowfall totals. Chapman, 18 inches of snow. St. George tied for the lead. Wamego, 17 and a half. Seneca, Centralia, both 17 inches of snow. Valley Falls, McLeod, Vermilion, Wakefield, Junction City, all close to 16 inches of snow.
So when did you guys start yesterday?
We kind of let it sit for a little bit, later than usual anyways. We started about 8 yesterday morning. Usually we'd start earlier than that, but we kind of needed a little bit to get a game plan put together with this amount of snow. But yeah, we started about 8, worked all the way through till, I think most everybody left about 6. And then started about 8 this morning again. So today's just kind of clean up.
What's been the biggest challenge?
Just the amount of snow. Trying to find a place to put it. Usually we try to tidy up the lots pretty nice and make it easy to get in and out, but that's just not possible today. So it'll be a little bit of chaos come Monday, and probably for the next month, because I don't see this going away anytime soon.
You came in, what time did you get here today?
5:45.
And what all have you been doing?
I did the front, the very back, and that front side right there. Pretty easy, huh?
You ever seen this much snow?
No.
Yeah.
No, I have not. Not here.
So who all do you communicate with as you're driving the roads in the morning?
Mainly the county. And I talked to them late last night. We felt good about what they've done. We'll touch base with them a little bit later in the morning. Late start mornings are a little slower because we have a little bit more time to just confirm that everything's okay. So I think generally, I don't know that people really realize how big Clay County is. It's 632 square miles, which is the 9th largest geographically in the state of Kansas. It's just a really, really big area to cover.
Good morning. All these buses you see in the shop, we put these in last Friday. They've been sitting in here where it stays warm. They've all been treated for cold weather. We put house in the fuel for the diesels, heat in the gas for the gas ones. Hopefully everything doesn't gel up outside when it gets in 0 degree weather. But
once Mr. Nelson gave me the news this morning that we were gonna have a 2-hour delay, I communicated with all my staff. Since we didn't have school on Monday, we will have that menu today for lunch. We don't have breakfast on delayed school days.